Personal is political. How this slogan has led to women's emancipation against exploitation? This is the question. So, radical feminism. This is the statement of radical feminism, which came after liberal feminism. It says that the demarcation between personal or domestic sphere and political sphere or external sphere has to be dismantled, because women have been confined to personal, so-called personal sphere of family, personal relation, children, cloth washing, cooking, while men have monopolized the work in public sphere, which is more rewarding, which is more prestigious, which is more remunerative. So the first of all, this wall must be dismantled, that family is not a personal sphere, it is a first political entity. The oppression, deprivation, dominance starts from family. And daughters faced double subjugation, one due to age, due to family head, and one due to gender. So dismantling the wall between personal and political, one, and bringing women into political sphere, decision making sphere, external sphere, where they will be more remunerated, there will be more getting prestige. And radical feminism believe that there is a difference between sex and gender. Sex difference is biological, natural, and even it claimed that it is not necessary that males would be biologically stronger physically than women. It is also social and cultural. That is not to be disputed. And sexism should be just like racism. It should be fought in the same vigor, in the same way. Gender difference is social, man-made, cultural. So radical feminism is against gender inequality, where women are being deprived. Women are told that you focus on personal relation rather than personal success, speaking less, sacrificing for family. They are considered to be good feminine qualities, which radical feminism rejected. They also rejected to participate in beauty contest. Women should not be commodified, treated as commodity. So in 1960s, 70s, and partly 80s also, there was phase of radical feminism. In this radical feminism, there was talk of sisterhood, there was talk of solidarity of women as a group, and it favored liberation of women from oppression. And it claimed that men cannot understand the problems of women. In liberal feminism, like J.S. Mill supported his wife and he himself worked for women and married women rights and their property rights. But this statement is of radical feminism. And radical feminism also rejected patriarchy, patriarchy, that rule of father in the family is the root cause of discrimination against women, gender injustice. So how to overcome them? Not through only women welfare and women development, but by women empowerment. Now the concept of women led development. So personal is political. This statement clearly rejects the difference between so-called domestic sphere and public sphere. Like even Aristotle claimed that women are mentally weak, emotional, not capable of taking bold decisions which are required in public sphere, political sphere, and due to some biological reasons, that menstruation cycle, they are not fit for working in public sphere. They are all wrong. They are all man-made. They are artificial. They are unaccepted, and they are cultural rather than natural. In many areas, radical feminism has claimed that women have outperformed men. So they should be joining the hands, they should be working as a group, and they also oppose that the only civil and political liberties will not work. One has to work at the social level, family level, at every level, not only at but just giving voting rights will not be sufficient, or civil rights would not be only sufficient. Women will be empowered at the expense of men. So this is how this statement is reflecting radical feminism.